Like,
Ooh. What happened?
Oh no.
What bird is it?
woolly wagtail.
What happened to it? What
It flew into something.
Oh.
But it's stuck with
Oh, you poor thing.
Wait, can I pet it?
just wait.
With the
You said that's a woolly
Crappy
wagtail? Oh,
plastic.
that is a woolly wagtail.
Just help me, just
Oh,
hold those
shame.
feathers out there.
Oh, what happened to him?
He flew into
He's
something,
got this
some
plastic.
sticky plastic in it.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't hurt his feathers, but
Are you
it's
sure?
probably...
Wait. How'd you find it?
It was running in the back here.
Oh, shame.
Oh, shucks, it's stuck on its leg too.
Oh, the wind is on there. It doesn't have a broken leg on it.
So
No.
cute.
Oh, you poor thing.
There we go.
There we go. Oh,
Okay,
shame.
wait.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Shame, poor
Can I hold it?
thing.
No, wait.
It's gonna scare it. Oh, you poor
Awesome.
Look at this.
thing.
See,
Oh, sheesh.